What's up, guys? This is going to be a business review, and I'm at Valvoline Instant Oil Change right now, getting work done on the Jetta and getting the tire rotation and synthetic oil change. And I've been coming here for some time now, and these guys are pretty excellent, man. You know, they work as a team. They're like a pit crew. You know, very friendly here. I come here all the time. I don't know if every Valvoline, every location is going to have the same personalities, but as far as a business model, it definitely works. They get you in and out. You get a professional oil change done and other services. Yes, they're going to try to upsell you. That's part of, you know, how they make money and how they pay the employees to stay happy. But overall, even with all the upselling, you know, I'm still happy with their services, and I would definitely recommend it, man. You know, you come in quick. I've gone to auto shops where you waiting 2 hours for oil change. You know, they have you sitting in the waiting room. I done read every damn magazine they got. You know, especially if you're not dropping the car off and going somewhere else. All right, but not with this place, man. There were 4 cars ahead of me when I pulled in, and I still only been here probably not even 45 minutes. All right, and these guys are professional. They're courteous. I've never had a mechanical issue after they've worked on my car. This gentleman here rotating my tires, took extreme care not to strip my lug nuts. And anybody that's thinking about getting an oil change for their vehicle, I would check out Valvoline, man. They always have coupons. Today I'm using a $25 off coupon for a full synthetic oil change. All right, they charged me $30 to rotate the tires, and I'll be on my way soon. All right, so this is just gonna be a quick video on Valvoline Instant Oil Change. All right, I see you guys next time. I try to do product reviews or business reviews that I would recommend that I had a good experience with, and this is one of them.